YouTube. Today we'll talk about Beta Xtrainer 2020. Why? Because it's been a year since I unboxed this bike, and I thought it would be a good thing to do a long time review after 12 months and 70 hours of riding. In this whole clip, I will only express my personal opinion as a hobby rider. I am not paid by Beta Factory or by its competition or by any other organization. Like any dirt bike, it has good things and bad things. The good stuff. It looks very good. Although the design has been the same for years, a little restyling that the Italians did on the front fender, on the headlight, and the color combination makes it look gorgeous. The front suspension, although not of the same size as its RR EXC, works very well on rough terrain, molds unevenness very well, and does not tire the rider. It is made by Olle, a manufacturer with a tradition in trial motorcycles. The brakes, both the front and the rear, are safe. You do not have to apply force to operate them. Although they are not Rambo, they work very well. The clutch is one of the strong points of this bike. Although I installed a Midwest lever, even with the stock one, you do very well. The clutch is very soft and does not tire the rider in hard enduro. The engine is simply fantastic. It has a huge torque in low revs, which helps a lot in hard enduro. You don't have to rev it much to have the necessary power. It doesn't break grip and it doesn't boil fast. The engine also has a counterbalance which significantly reduces vibration. Gearbox 6 gear works okay. I went on stock reports 14-49. The electric start, again a good thing done by the Italians, does not show any signs of fatigue. It starts very fast every time. The carburetor is well-known kind. It works well. Here I'm thinking of upgrading, but I'll talk about this another time. The rear suspension also works well and is easy to set. Unlike the front one, I managed to end it twice. Either I changed the spring on the bike or my weight. I think I'll change the spring. The tires that come from the factory are Shinko. To my surprise, they offer quite a lot of grip on sections with whetstones, at least the one on the back, even after the 70th and broken quite a lot, still offers grip. The exhaust, despite the fact that it has these straight lines and the final drum is tiny, offers a thick and quite pleasant sound, far above some competitors. These will be the things I like. Now let's talk about the annoying things. The saddle is soft and quite comfortable, but the cover is made of a very thin material. It is not durable over time. Plastics are not as durable as other enduro motorcycles, as well as stickers. The only problem I had was with the dashboard. In fact, with the sensor plugged into the caliper, it gave me the other values on the speedometer than the real ones, which was solved under warranty due to the local dealer. Thank you sprintmotors.ro on this occasion. In conclusion, if you're a hobby guy and you enjoy motorcycle outings on weekends and some hobby class competitions, especially on sections of single track, hard enduro and more, it is the most suitable bike. I had 2 KTMs before this one, great and very good motorcycles, but Beta seems much more fun and much easier to handle due to the low weight and height of the saddle. It is not a long distance motorcycle with speed. On forest roads it behaves unstable at high speed. It is not a motorcycle for champion racers. The comparison with competition motorcycles EXC, RR, FSE, etc. is not correct, and so on. It is different. The right comparison would be KTM Freedom, which which is a joke from all points of view besides Xtrainer, and with Gas Ranger, but I didn't ride that one. I don't know. I don't want to comment on it. That would be my personal opinion about this motorcycle after a year of riding. If you find the video useful, hit a like and leave a comment or hit the subscribe button. Thanks to Beta Factory for making motorcycle to my liking, and to our local Sprint Motors dealer for fast delivery and technical support. See you. Stay close for more.
Sai că nu sta casca.